This is the story of you and your financial data and the late nights you spend working with it. No matter which system your company has invested in, your ERP is a powerful tool for your business. But putting this data to good use by yourself is another story. ERPs require an expert skill set to use, with data structures that make it difficult to self-serve, tying up your scarce IT resources by making you dependent on tech experts. Many finance professionals turn to Excel for reporting and analysis, but with the constant exporting, reformatting, and repeating, hours are wasted manipulating data instead of analyzing it. The solution? Excel for Apps. Excel for Apps lets you securely connect your ERP system to your tool of choice for financial analysis, Microsoft Excel. Our tailor-made add-ins let you work with live ERP data. This deep integration lets you leverage the power, integrity, and security of your data system, making it easy to obtain, analyze, and share essential information when and how you need it. It's why we're software people love. Over 1,000 companies of all sizes and industries across the globe are trusting Excel for Apps to help accelerate their financial process like period end close. And getting started is easy and affordable. Be up and running in a few hours with no consultants or long implementation plans. Our wands enable you to report on and analyze real-time data with powerful drill downs and ad hoc reports. Create, load, and analyze budgets more efficiently for faster budgeting and forecasting cycles. Reduce errors by validating and uploading budgets or large batches of journals, all from within Microsoft Excel. This empowers you with the speed and flexibility to access the data you need when you need it. By maximizing the platforms you already have, you can spend more time for analysis and driving important business decisions, and reclaim lost time. Learn more about how our solutions can give you your nights back by accelerating your financial process with the ease of Excel.